Hi! Working with single state values like date and age is fun, but there is so much more that you can do with arrays. Let's add another state property, which will be an array containing fruit names as strings. Fruits is equal to an array containing apple and orange. A common scenario in programming is taking an array and applying some kind of transformation on its element. This is what the map function does in JavaScript. Let's see how it works. This state fruits, and now I call map on an array, passing a function that will be applied on each element of this array. So the function takes a single array element as its parameter, and for instance it will return this element in uppercase notation. I save this result array as a variable. Let's call it uppercase fruits. Let's rearrange it so that everything fits the screen. And now I print it. As you can see, an array that is printed contains our fruits names, but each of them is written in uppercase, just as expected. In React, it is possible to transform arrays into lists of React elements in the very same way. These elements can be then included in JSX syntax using curly braces. Let's start with cleaning this code, and then we go to the render function and start with the curly braces. We use curly braces to let the JSX parser know that the contents in between them is a JavaScript expression which must be evaluated. We used them in the very same way in hello component to print a name. Let's map fruits array into an array of React elements. Fruit is transformed into a text component displaying this fruit. As I run this code, the fruits are displayed, but you can see a warning saying that each child in an array should have a unique key property. Keys are used by React to identify which items have changed or were added or removed. Let's add a key equal to fruit. And again, let's rearrange the code so that it fits the screen. Now the warning is gone. The key must be unique among siblings. In our case, each fruit name is unique, so the requirement holds. The key also must be static. It should never change between renders. It's okay in our case as well. What if we want to add a new fruit? We can modify the fruits array directly in component.mount method, like this. This state fruits push banana. Now you can see that the new fruit banana was displayed in the app, but the only reason that it is working is because other calls to the setState method caused the re-render of our container component. If we comment everything out, you can see that banana is not displayed. This is because we need to use the setState method to update the fruits array. And we do it like this. So I remove this line, and now this setState and fruits becomes this state fruits and comma banana. Fruits are assigned a new value, which is obtained by expanding the value of this state fruits with a spread operator, and then adding a new element, banana. When I save the code and refresh the app, I can see that banana is rendered just as expected.